Peppa Pig Tales. Let's jump in. Hooray!
Today, Peppa's playgroup are on a trip to the lake. They are going to row boats.
Whoops! Sorry, everyone.
Hello, Miss Rabbit.
Hello. Are you ready to row boats today?
Oh, yes.
The rowing boats are just over there. Let's go!
Hooray!
Everyone is wearing life jackets and helmets to keep them safe on the boats.
You all look ready to get going.
Yes!
Peppa, Susie and Pedro, you'll be in the red rowing boat with me and Grampy Rabbit.
And Mandy, Emily and Danny will be in the blue rowing boat with me and Captain Dog. Quick!
To row the boat, you have to put this special stick called an oar in the water and pull like this. Heave, ho! Now you try.
Everyone is very excited to row the boats themselves. But no one is working together.
Why isn't the boat moving, Miss Captain Rabbit?
Everyone needs to row together all at once, like this. When I say heave, we push, and when I say ho, we pull. Let's all try together. Heave, ho! Well done!
The boat is moving along the water. Everyone is working together as a team. Everyone is having lots of fun rowing their boats, but it is almost time to go home.
Time to row back to shore now, children. Your parents have come to collect you.
Squeak! Can we race to the shore?
A wonderful idea, Mandy. Is everyone ready?
Ready!
On your marks, get set, go!
Everyone is rowing as fast as they can back to the shore. Peppa is helping her friends row as a team.
Heave ho. Weave clo. Believe go.
Almost there! It's neck and neck!
It's a draw. Well done, children.
Hooray!
Everyone loves rowing boats, and everyone loves working as a team.